Firecracker.
Alright, well, happy, whatever this is, July 4th, we are here at Dutchtown. About to pop some fireworks, so. Damn it! Yo, why you ain't tell nobody? Yo, why you ain't tell nobody?
What would life be without little brother?
Yo, what is with you?
Go throw it right there. You gotta take that string loose.
No, this is, oh, yes, this, man.
Did you record yourself running?
Yes, I did.
Let's
That's
see.
amazing.
You got to.
Here.
You probably can't see anything. You don't have any good lighting out here.
Yeah, you can see something because of this light, right?
Too much light, maybe.
You got another one in your hand?
Can we run away? What does it do?
I don't know.
I don't know. We're about to find out. Start skidding across the parking lot chasing everybody.
Yay.
I know, right? That's pretty.
That's cute, isn't it?
Little cute thing.
Hold on, wait till this one go out there. Yeah, that is good for the size.
Was that one of the big ones?
Man, why you ain't tell me? Like, was that a joke or something?
Did it hit you?
Was that a joke or something?
No,